पारस को अंतरो जानत है सब संत, वह लोहा कंचन करे ये करी गए महंत। अर्थात गुरु और पारस पत्थर में अंतर होता है, ये सब जानते हैं। पारस तो लोहे को सोना ही बनाता है, परंतु गुरु अपने शिष्य को अपने समान महान बना देता है। Hello everyone, I am Rudra Shukla would like to welcome you all to the online celebration of Guru Purnima in Sattva Vikas School. Our school believes and executes in the holistic development of their students. A guru is like a candle as it consumes itself to light the way for others. On this very auspicious day, I hope and pray that we always get guided by you and you may always shower us with your blessings. Now with this, I would like to request our respected principal, Jayashree Joshi ma'am, to mark the beginning of the program by lighting the lamp and say a few words on this very special day.
शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते
Guru is aspiration. Guru is inspiration. Guru is everything. May the blessings of Guru shower on you always. A very happy and wonderful day to all my Sattvas. Today is a very special day. We are celebrating Guru Purnima, and in a student's life, this is a very, very important day. Children, Guru Purnima is also known as Vyas Purnima in honor of the great Rishi Ved Vyas. He compiled our four Puranas, Vedas, Mahabharata, even Srimad Bhagavata. People who come into our life and give us wings, give us knowledge, they are our gurus. Guru is made of two letters, Gu and Ru. Gu means darkness and Ru means the person who takes us away from darkness. So Guru in sum total is one who takes us away from darkness of ignorance to the brightness of wisdom and knowledge. Kabir ji has written many dohas, but one doha is very dear to my heart. Kabir ji says, Guru Gobind do hai, kake lagu pae, balihari Guru aapni, Govind diyo bataye. Here Kabir ji says that my Guru and my Lord both are in front of me and I am in a dilemma. Whom to bow down first? Then he thinks and he says in the next line that I will bow down to my Guru first because he is the one who led me to the path that takes me to my Lord. So children, always remember this is the importance of a true Guru in our life. Guru is not merely one who gives us academic knowledge, who teaches us. Guru is the one who realizes the potential in us, who nurtures us, who guides us, who never lets us fail in our life. Constantly he is motivated. And there can be many gurus in our life. We learn from many sources. Parents give us birth, but our teacher realizes our potential, our talents. He nurtures us into complete human being. We learn from many sources. sources throughout our life. We learn even from nature, from our environment, from text, from our personal experience as well. And our mind is constantly processing this information for our maximizing our survival and blossom. And for this information to remain, to help us, we need mentors, we need coaches, we need guides, we need facilitator. In short, we need a guru. So guru is the one who leads us towards our goal. He's a constant motivator, a beacon of life for us. The life of a shishya, disciple, student or mentee is incomparable journey where the guru leads you from the visible to the invisible, from the material to the divine, from the ephemeral to the eternal. And mind you, Satvites, everyone has a guru in their life to lead them and to face the challenges of life. Even today, I remember some of my teachers who taught me in the school, in the college life. And mind you, I'm talking about 30 or 40 years back. So they left an indelible mark on my heart and my mind. My language teacher always pulled me up even if I made a single error. Only the best and the perfect was good enough for him. Even my principal, I have a vivid, clear memory of him. Tall and always dignified and motivating his students. So children, teachers are the one who help us live our life with confidence, with lot of achievement and reaching our potentials. Today, on this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, I bow down to all my gurus whom I can never forget for imparting wisdom and knowledge. Because of our Guru's guidance, direction and care, we all become better human beings. Because of them, we lead a fulfilling life. I remember I always tell you, more than knowledge, you have to be a good human being, a caring, compassionate, empathetic being. Let's show our gratitude towards all our gurus for their impeccable hard work. Especially, during the pandemic, how your teachers, your Sattva mentors have reached out to you. Recently they are making videos and they are uploading the videos. They also make podcasts for you so you can hear over and over again and strengthen your weaker concepts. For your checklist of understanding, self-assessment, they made so many assessment sheets for you. So your teachers are constantly, day in and day out, every moment they are thinking, how can I reach my student? How can I make an impact? How can I improve the way my student is studying, learning? So this is what a guru is all about. Children, you are very fortunate that you have such loving, caring and compassionate teachers at Sattva. Today, I will end by reciting one more shloka. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we shall begin with the program, and here comes Raj Varmora of grade 9 to recite a shlok.
हमारे देश में गुरुओं का बहुत सम्मान किया जाता है, क्योंकि गुरु ही है जो अपने शिष्य को गलत मार्ग से निकालकर सही मार्ग पर लाता है। ऐसी बहुत सी कथाएं सुनने को मिलती है कि एक व्यक्ति को महान करने के पीछे गुरुओं का भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान होता है। आषाढ़ में के शुक्ल पक्ष के पूर्णिमा के दिन गुरु पूर्णिमा का पर्व मनाया जाता है। आइए हम अपने अपने गुरुओं का आशीर्वाद लेते हैं और उन्होंने अब तक जो कुछ भी किया है उसके लिए धन्यवाद कहते हैं। मैं कक्षा 9 का विद्यार्थी राज इन श्लोकों को अपने गुरुओं को समर्पित करता हूँ। गुरु वंदे मातरूपम गुरु वंदे पितृरूपम गुरु वंदे करुणामयम गुरु वंदे सुजामयम गुरु वंदे सिद्धिप्रदम गुरु वंदे बुद्धिप्रदम गुरु वंदे विमलमतिम गुरु वंदे अगैकृतिम।
Thank you, Raj, for soothing our minds. Now, I would like to call Mitra of grade 5 with a song Ek Saya Jo Ban Jata.
My name is Mitra Trivedi. I study in Standard 5th and my song name is Teacher Song by Swara Oza. एक साया जो बन जाता हम साया सबका, इस दुनिया को प्यारा तोहफा है वो रब का। एक साया जो बन जाता हम साया सबका, इस दुनिया को प्यारा तोहफा है वो रब का। कभी मीठी सी मुस्कान, कभी तीखी तीखी डांट, है उसका एक ही फंडा, बस नॉलेज बांट। चलो पूछो इस पहेली को, बोलो है वो कौन? हाँ 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 टीचर, वो तो है टीचर। हमें याद है वो दिन जब था पहला दिन, रोई थी आंखें मम्मी पापा बिन। आंखों से गिरते मोती जिसने हाथों में भर लिए, इन होठों पे हंसी के फूल फिर से खिला दिए। चलो बूझो इस पहेली को, बोलो है वो कौन? हाँ 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 टीचर, वो तो है टीचर। Thank you. Hope you like it.
Thank you, Mitra, for cherishing our souls. India has been blessed with many great souls who have not only enlightened us but also showed us the right path of living our lives. There have been many gurus. The list has been endless. But here, I are presenting to you a few such leading lights.
Hey brother, what are you doing? Let's play. I am waiting for you.
Don't disturb me, Priya. I'm reading something.
What are you reading?
I'm reading about Gautam Buddha, about his life and his teachings. And I also have to give a speech in my class about Gautam Buddha.
Okay. Why?
Because Buddha Jayanti is coming, Priya.
What is Buddha Jayanti?
You don't know what Buddha Jayanti? It is also known as Vesak or Sambuddhatva Jayanti. It is a religious festival. It is hugely celebrated all over the world. It also marks the birth, enlightenment and death of Gautam Buddha. Priya, do you know who was Gautam Buddha?
No, Bhaiya. Can you please tell me about him?
Gautam Buddha was a prince. He was born in lap of luxuries and comforts. One day he saw an old and sick man. He realized that the life of human is hardship and suffering and sorrow. He felt that one day will also become old, sick and die.
Then, what happened then?
One dark night, Gautam Buddha left his palace to seek the true meaning of life. After many years of meditation, he finally attended the enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya.
How is Buddha Jayanti celebrated?
On Buddha Jayanti, people worship Buddha by offering prayers. Pilgrims from all over the world come to Bodh Gaya to be the part of celebrations.
This is nice. Thank you, Bhaiya, for telling me about this festival.
You're welcome, Elisa sir. Now please go and play. I also have to prepare a speech in my class on Good Jayanti. Now please go and play.
How beautifully performed. Now, we all know that dance is one of the most divine forms of art. So here we have Astha and Meher of grade 3 and Ananya of grade 2 with their dance performance.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं, वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
Wow, what a wonderful performance. For students like us, the teacher is only his or her guru. So keeping that glory of a teacher in mind, we have Vani Pujara of grade 2 who is singing a song on Teachers Day.
Hi friends, my name is Vani Pujara. I study in grade 2. Today I sing the Teachers Day song. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift from God. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift from God. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you teacher, I miss you teacher, I thank you teacher for everything. I love you teacher, I miss you teacher, I thank you teacher for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Vani, that was a wonderful song. Now we have Riyansh Vakil of grade 7 who is going to tell us about the significance of the day.
Hello my dear Satvites! Can you tell me who smile brightens your day? Any guess? Yes, your teacher. Can you tell me who teaches you different subjects? Yes, your teachers. So today we will talk about our lovely teachers. A teacher also called the Guru. Guru is the creator Brahma. Guru is the preserver Vishnu. Guru is also the destroyer Shiva and the source of the Absolute. Full day moon in the month of July is celebrated as a mark of respect to the Guru. This day is celebrated in the sacred memory of the great sage Vyas, who compiled 4 Vedas, wrote 18 Puranas, the Mahabharata and the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The role of a guru in real life is very important. So, we should be very much thankful to all our gurus. I wish all my gurus a very happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.
That was indeed enlightening. Thank you, Riyansh. Now we have Marmari Thakkar of grade 5 who is playing a beautiful tune on guitar.
Hello everyone, my name is Marmari Thakkar. I am studying grade 5. On this day of Guru Purnima, I express my gratitude for all my gurus.
Wow, what a wonderful performance. India has been blessed with many great souls who have not only enlightened us but also showed us the right path of living our lives. There have been many gurus. The list has been endless. But here at grade 1 Satwais are presenting to you a few such leading lights.
पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जग हाँ पंडित बन कोई ढाई अखड़ प्रेम का पढ़े सो पंडित होए. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. only that which will bring you honor. Satnam Vaheguru. वास्तविक आनंद उन्हीं को मिलता है जो आनंद की तलाश में नहीं होते हैं। The mind is everything. What you think, you become.
How beautifully performed. Now, I would like to call Dharmi of grade 5 with a song Lad Khadate Hain Hum.
Hello everyone and my respected teachers. My name is Dharmi Thakur. I study in 5th grade. Today I will sing a song Lad Khadate Hain Hum. So let's start. Hope you enjoy my song. लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं आके वो, खो जाए राहें तो राहें रोशन करते वो, कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो, दिए की ज्योति सिर्फ में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, के भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। पाव थे नन्ही सी आंखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को, इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको, दिए की ज्योति सिर्फ में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, के भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। Thank you.
Thank you, Dharmi, for such a captivating performance. And now we have Krusha, Tripti and Ashwati of grade 10 to express their love and respect for teachers through a dance performance.
कहना है एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू, है सब कुछ टूवर्ड्स में, रोज दिखाते जाए कुछ नया, या दुनिया हाथों में रख दे। Thanks a lot, lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot. एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू, है सब कुछ टूवर्ड्स में, रोज दिखाते जाए कुछ नया, या दुनिया हाथों में रख दे। Thanks a lot, lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot. सुबह हो या शाम चाहे जो भी हो, काम होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम। Thanks a lot, lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot. हर पन्ने पे हो एक नई कहानी, हर एंड को हैप्पी हम करें, हर बात की दे दे छूट, हर दिन कोई तोहफा क्यूट, जो भी हो साथ ना छोड़े। Thanks a lot, lots and lots, so many ways to say thanks a lot. गाते रहे हम चाहे खुशी हो या गम, अपनी ये जिंदगी ना हो खत्म। Thanks a lot, we thought and thought, so many ways just to say thanks a lot.
Wow, what a lovely and mesmerizing performance. Now we have Hed Patel of grade 11 to tell us the religious value of Guru Purnima.
We know that today is Guru Purnima, so on this occasion, let me give you a brief idea of Guru and importance of Guru in our life. Guru is a Sanskrit word in which Gu means darkness and Ru means light. Hence, Guru means a person who provides light in darkness. Guru Purnima is a grand day that is significant to revive the connection between the students and the teacher in both academic and spiritual ways. Students and disciples all over the world dedicate this day to their teachers. It is a societal and religious celebration. The ancient and present Indian tradition acknowledges the positive impact of guru or a teacher in a student's life. A guru or a teacher plays a significant role in molding the student's life and guide him through all the phases of life. A guru guides a student to help him reach his goal and advance in his spiritual and materialistic life. His or her grace and blessings are powerful to dispel ignorance from the life of the student. On this day, disciples and students recognize the importance of Guru in life and receive their blessings. With this, I wish Happy Guru Purnima to everyone. Thank you.
And now, last but not the least, I would like to call pre-primary students with a thanking note.
शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
How wonderfully explained. Now here, I would like to conclude by saying that today we all should preach our teachers and gurus and thank them, not just for teaching us but also loving us unconditionally and showing the correct path of life selflessly. Thank you.